And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here, and we're in the computer room, but what I'm showing you is the latest update on my reversible lead screw project for my shear line lathe. Let me bring the camera around here and show you. Okay. Gonna zoom in on the motor here. You see the power supply. You see the motor. This is the joystick. Watch this right here. For those of you who need to see the 4 volts, how about 6, huh?
Oh,
8 volts! 8 volts! Oh, is he? No, that's not good. This way a little. Hey, get me in the screen. So, anyway, you saw, so far I've got reversing motor. You've seen I've got, over here, over here, the worm drive, just in case I need the extra mechanical advantage. I don't think I'm gonna, just in case. Now, how I made that joystick is I took 4 of these, and I took 2, I glue them together after I wired. Then I took those 2 sets of 2 and I connected them with a insulator strip so the wires didn't short, like so. As you see, I have backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. That's just simple electrical work. Stringing some wires, connecting switches, you know. My father was an electrician. He'd be ashamed of the craftsmanship I put into that joystick, but it works. And if Dad was going to keep on critiquing my work, he should have stuck around instead of, well, you know. Only 340, not only 350. Huh? Okay, where was I? I have no fears that I'm going to overload the wiring I put into this circuit. Get over there. Because it's all at least as heavy a gauge as the wires coming out the motor. That is important. The wires coming out of the motor, you shouldn't have wires connecting to them that are smaller. Bigger's okay, a little bit, but smaller, no, never ever. You cause resistance, heat, electrical fires. And if the insurance company don't believe it's an accident, you could spend a long time in a small room with bars in the front wall. So don't do your own electrical work. Have someone else do it. That way he gets blamed. Okay? Oh. Yeah, but seriously, that was just simple. Simple. I have some shots during the process. Not every step. I mean, really? And I verified polarity on all 6 wires. There's the 2 coming out of the power supply and the 4 coming off of the switches and going to the motor. Now, as you stay there. Now, as you see, I got these temporarily twisted together. And if you see there, I have both positive and negative going to both of these 2 wires, the red and the green. How do I not get the motor to short out, catch on fire, all kinds of stuff like that? 4 switches. Each of those 2 sets gets a hot, or should I say a positive and a negative. It's just connecting up on this end. That's the fun part. Okay, I've got enough footage for now. I'm going to stop recording, throw the JPEGs of making this monstrosity on, and when you look at it, it'll be tomorrow. Good night from California.